unboxing video of 60-watt OMG fiber laser. Everything that comes in the crate. There's the laser, vertical axis, base, got some tools, foot switch, some cables, power cable. This is various hold downs, but there's a couple sample coins in there. Rotary, safety glasses, lens, other lens, and I believe that's some brackets. Here's everything out of the box, mocked up on a small table with the base on the floor. The cord going from the base to the laser head is plenty long to be able to set the base on the floor. It's about 5.5 feet long. All of these holes are threaded. I may attach it by bolting it from the bottom up into the table just so that it's on there, but it is plenty stable as is. Comes included USB with a bunch of the settings. There's a couple extra fuses there. This is a cap for the lens that is already installed, so it is capped on the other side. Richard was nice enough to include 2 brass coin blanks. some metal business card blanks. This is his business card. Richard Zhang at OMGLaser.com. Attached is the, I forget which lens is attached. That's the 70 that's on there. This is the 100. This is the 300. It also includes very nice safety goggles. A set of metric Allen wrenches. You do need some Allen wrenches to attach the base. Back there, just 4 Allen bolts holding it on. It's very secure. The top also has 4 Allen bolts holding it from underneath. There is some movement. You can adjust it forward and backward. There's the adjustment up here on top for vertical. With markings so that you can have repeatable heights. It also includes a ruler, a couple hold downs to be able to position stuff where you want them. And the rotary I have not unboxed yet. It's in the back there. I don't have a use for that yet. It'd be great for working on tumblers. And then brackets in the back, which I am not using yet. I believe those will be able to raise this up higher if you need more vertical working space. The blue wire is a USB. It's hooked in at the bottom. It's not hooked in up top yet. It doesn't quite reach my computer. I'll probably have to move my setup a little bit. I would have liked to see a longer USB cord. That one's about 4.5 feet long that came included. And then the foot pedal is down at the bottom with plenty of cord space on that. So thank you, Richard. Looking forward to getting this going.